Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to become a seller on Amazon. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to become a seller on Amazon using the Amazon website. First thing you need to do is to go to the Amazon homepage. Okay, so head over to the Amazon website at amazon.com, and in there just go ahead and click on sign in to create your Amazon account if you do not have an Amazon account, or just click on login to log in. And once you log into Amazon, you need to visit the Amazon Seller Central page. How do you get there? From your home page, hover over the account and list tab, and from the drop down menu click on start a selling account. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to this window where you can now start the process of creating an Amazon seller account. Click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to take you to another window where you'll be provided a form for you to fill in your business information. The first thing to do is to add the country where you register the business, and then the type of the business, either sole proprietorship, private owned, public owned, charity, or no, you're just an individual. Just select that, and then the next thing to do is to enter a business name, and then give your consent to the rules or the terms and conditions, and then click on agree and continue. Once you click on that, it's just going to present you with the plans available. The individual plan, which is ideal for casual sellers with no monthly fee but a fee per item sold, and the professional plan, which is best for serious sellers with a monthly subscription fee but no per item fee. Now, once you do that and you provide your business information, including your tax information, follow the prompts to set up your seller account, which may include verifying your identity. Now, you might need to provide bank account information for payment deposit. I do not have a legal business registered, because before creating a seller account, you need to have all the information about your legal business, because everything you fill out in the form needs to be accurate and legally recognized. Now, after your seller account is set up, all you need to do from the home page is to head over to the inventory tab in the Seller Central. Click on add a product and search for the product you want to sell, or click on create a new product listing option if your product isn't already listed on Amazon. Then fill out the product details, including title, description, images, and pricing. Use relevant keywords in your product title and description to improve visibility. Ensure your images meet Amazon's requirements, which include high quality, clear, and professional looking pictures. Then set competitive pricing to attract buyers. You also need to decide how you want to fulfill your orders. You can use the fulfilled by merchant, that's FBM, which means you handle storage, packing, and shipping, or you can choose fulfilled by Amazon, FBA, meaning Amazon stores, packs, and ships your products for you. Once your listings are complete, launch them on Amazon. Monitor your inventory levels and sales performance regularly. Consider using Amazon's advertising services to promote your listing. Also, utilize social media and other marketing strategies to drive traffic to your product. Regularly check your Seller Central dashboard for sales performance, customer feedback, and account health. Also, respond to customer inquiries and reviews to maintain a good seller rating. You also need to familiarize yourself with Amazon seller policies and guidelines to avoid account issues, and take advantage of Amazon Seller Central resources and support to help you get started. And that's it. You are now on your way to becoming a seller on Amazon. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.